Welcome back everyone. At this stage we will work on relational DB table operation. The work we have completed so far is user registration, login logout, list view and its details showing, inserting new records, updating record and deleting records. So now we're going to do a little complex operation. So let's get started. So our initial plan is to view client-wise product purchase details from the list view on the home page and sell the product to a client. I won't focus too much on UI UX here, I'll just show the main functionality here. So let's create a product table where the client table will be referenced as a foreign table. Because we will be selling our product to some client. Right? So let's create a model class called product. And as usual, write models.model inside the parentheses. Now let's define a field called client, which is actually a foreign key for the product table. Here the foreign key is actually referring to the ID of the client table. So refer to the client table inside the parentheses. Here put on_delete equals models.cascade. The on_delete equals models.cascade option is used in Django's models to specify that when a referenced object is deleted, the objects that reference it should also be deleted. It's a way to maintain referential integrity in your database. The attribute is related_name, very useful in Django when you want to give a meaningful name to the reverse relationship. Using related_name can make your code more readable. Actually, by default, Django would use something like product_set if no related_name is specified. Instead of accessing the related products from a client object using client.product_set.all, you can use client.products.all, which is much clearer and easier to understand. I will share more details on this topic later in this tutorial. Now let's define a character field called product name. Its max length will be 100. You can give a length value larger than this if you want. Now let's define a decimal field called price. Our goal is to sell each product to each client at different prices. Here I will give the maximum digit as 10, you can give a larger number if you need. And I will give the decimal place value too. I think this is the standard format. And finally we will define a date field. Here I have chosen datetime field as the field type, where I will set auto now add equals true so that the current date and time are automatically set when storing new data. Now let's define the string function as usual. There is no need to explain anything new about it because you all already know it and what I have discussed in the previous tutorial.